Welcome my dear students to the part 1 from the chapter Semiconductor Electronics. In this module, we will be discussing about the function of a diode as a rectifier. Now let us discuss the application of junction diode as a rectifier. Rectifier is a device which is used for converting AC current or voltage into DC current or voltage. A PN junction diode can be used as a half wave rectifier and also a full wave rectifier. The resistance of a PN junction diode becomes low when it is forward biased and it becomes high when it is reverse biased. And this is the principle of working of a rectifier. Now let us discuss in brief about the function of a half-wave rectifier. The circuit diagram is as given below. It has got a transformer and the primary of the transformer is connected to the AC voltage and the secondary is connected to a diode and a load resistance. So the three parts of a half-wave rectifier are a transformer with primary and secondary coils, a diode and a load resistance RL. The AC voltage to be rectified is connected between the primary of a transformer. To one coil of the secondary, the P junction of the diode is connected and the output is measured across the load resistance RL. Before beginning, let us discuss what is a half-wave rectifier. A half-wave rectifier is a circuit which converts one half of the alternating input voltage into direct voltage. This is achieved by using a junction diode in series with the load resistance. During the positive half cycle of the input alternating voltage, the diode is forward biased and conducts current, whereas during the negative half cycle, it shuts off and no current is passed. Now let us see the working of a half-wave rectifier. Case 1. During the positive half cycle of the input AC voltage, suppose P1 is negative and P2 is positive. Then from the first figure, we can refer that on account of inductance, S1 becomes positive and S2 becomes negative. This is as shown in the figure. When P1 and P2 are positive and negative, then S1 and S2 becomes positive and negative respectively. The PN junction is now forward biased and hence the resistance of the junction diode becomes low. Hence, current flows in the circuit and we get an output across the load resistance RL. Case 2. During the negative half cycle of the input AC voltage, suppose P1 is positive and P2 is negative. On account of inductance, S1 becomes negative and S2 becomes positive. The PN junction is reverse biased and hence the resistance of the PN junction diode becomes high. Hence, no current flows in the circuit and we do not get any output across the load resistance RL. This process, that is case 1 and case 2, is repeated. Thus we have current only in the positive half cycle of the AC voltage. Hence, it is called as half-wave rectifier. Now these are the input and output waveforms for a half-wave rectifier. The input is a sinusoidal AC voltage and We get the output voltage only for positive half cycles of the input AC voltage. This is all about a half wave rectifier. Thank you, dears.